You don't have to stay stuck. You don't have to feel tired, weak, or disconnected from your body anymore. Whether you're healing, rebuilding after cancer, or you're navigating menopause, this is your time to renew you. Welcome to 100-day Renew You Transformative Beginnings. It's a 100-day journey to reset your body, rebuild your strength, and reignite your passion for life. I'm Dr. Cindy Ross, cancer specialist, functional medicine doctor, and founder of Life Wellness Forever. For decades, I've helped patients reclaim their health through movement, mindset, and medicine. And this program brings it all together. We'll focus on what truly changes your body, building muscle, balancing hormones, and restoring metabolism. Because muscle is medicine, and menopause isn't the end, it's your new beginning. You'll get customized monthly workout plans, clean and delicious meal guidance, mindset resets, and real accountability. Every month, your plan evolves with you, challenging your body while nurturing your soul. Remember, it's individualized just for you. Whether your goal is to lose weight, regain energy, or simply feel strong and confident again, this program was designed to meet you exactly where you are. This is your invitation to transform from the inside out. 100 days, one decision, a brand new you. 100-day Renew You Transformative Beginnings starts now. I'll see you on the other side.